upon our principal Ramadevi ma'am for prize distribution.
Good evening to everyone. Honored Chief Guest, Respected Chairman Radheshyam Sharma Sir, Managing Director Lakshmi Ma'am, Director Manisha Ma'am, and proud parents, staff, non-teaching staff, and my dear students. Welcome to the Cultural Odyssey, celebration of the decade, the Academic Section 2024-25 prize distribution ceremony at Vidyadham International School. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all to this special event where we celebrate the achievements and hard work to our outstanding students. I would like to call all the chief guests come up on the stage.
Thank you all the guests who are here. First felicitation of few guests is still pending. We'll finish that and then we'll start with the prize distribution. I request Radheshyam Sharma ji to please felicitate Dr. Rishikesh Desai. He is an orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon and trustee of our school. Please give a huge round of applause. Also, I request him to felicitate Mr. Nilesh Desai, who is an active social worker. Please come and do the honors. Parents, please huge round of applause. Okay, you can have a seat. Okay, now we felicitate Mrs. Shakuntala Radheshyam Desai, who has nurtured the founders of our school. Give a huge round of applause. Also, I request Ms. Manisha Sharma, felicitation of the Director of Vidyadham International School.
I would like to call Lakshmi Ma'am.
I call upon Lakshmi ma'am to felicitate our principal ma'am Rama Devi.
Also, I would like to request felicitation of Mrs. Mayuri Desai and Darshana Desai. Please come on the stage. ceremony now. I request Rama ma'am to please do the honors.
First and foremost, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guests and dignitaries who have taken the time to join us today. Your presence here adds grace to this occasion and inspires our students to strive excellence. To the parents and families of our students, thank you for your unwavering support and encouragement. Your involvement and dedication are crucial to the success of our students. To our dedicated teachers and non-teaching staff, your hard work, commitment, and guidance have played a significant role in shaping the achievements we are celebrating today. As we celebrate the achievements of our students today, let us also look forward to the future with a hope and determination. Together, we can achieve the timings and make a positive impact on the world. Let us make this event a memorable celebration of excellence and achievement. Thank you for all for being here to support and celebrate our students. Let us prize distribution begin, and congratulations to all our winners. I would like to call Ms. Rashmika Mehta to felicitate with awards. Pre-primary section nursery, Param Jha. First rank goes to Param Jha. Please give big round of applause for our child. Second rank goes to Vivan Chaudhary. Third rank goes to Krishna Rajput. Thank you, ma'am. Then second category, Junior KG, Arnav Gupta. First rank goes to Arnav Gupta. Please come on the stage. I would like to call this Dr. Rishikesh Desai to felicitate with awards. First, Arnav Gupta. First. Second prize, Arvi Kapodia. And third prize goes to Bhargav Raval. Thank you, sir. Then third category goes to Senior KG. First prize goes to Jayesh Jha. I would like to call Mr. Parikshit Patel to felicitate with award. Parents, please give a huge round of applause for our children because they have shown their effort, hard workness. Please give a huge round of applause for our child. And second prize goes to Arya Moria. And third prize goes to Suhani Kumari. Thank you, sir. Then second category, class primary section, class first, like to call Mr. Mahesh Pandya to felicitate with the award. Then second prize go to Kritika Tiwari. Third prize goes to Krishadeep.
I'd like to announce that Mr. D.N. Nayak, who is a tax practitioner, he is with us. So I'll request him also to please come on the stage to for the felicitation. Mr. D.N. Nayak. He's a well-known CA and tax practitioner. Radhesham Sharma ji to please felicitate him with a bouquet, and also I request him to please sit on the dais.
I would like to call Mr. Sailesh Mehta to felicitate with award. First prize award goes to Ishida Raj Purohit. Second prize goes to Nidhi Mali. Third prize goes to Apeksha Chaudhary. Award. First, sorry, he left now. So I would like to call Mr. Radhesham Sharma ji to felicitate our child. First rank goes to Park Rathod. Park Rathod, first rank. I would like to call Radhesham Sharma ji to felicitate with award. Because he is absent now. Okay, then we can go to the next category round. Thank you, sir. Class 4. First rank goes to Hedvi Bhatt, but I would like to call D.N. Nayak to felicitate with the award. to Nakul Raj Purohit. Then third award goes to Adya Vaishnav. Thank you, sir. Then class 6. First rank goes to Saparnika R. Nair. She is absent today. And second, I would like to call Ms. Shakutala Sharma. Second rank goes to Pooja Chaudhary. Third goes to Priyanshi Gaire. Thank you, ma'am. Class 6 now. I would like to call Dr. Rishikesh Desai, sir. Felicitated with the award. First rank goes to Kavita Gupta. Second award goes to Chavi Singh. Then third rank goes to Asta Jha. Thank you, sir. Then class 7 category awards. I would like to call Mr. Nilesh Desai, sir, to felicitate with the award. The first rank goes to Bhavya Rathod. Second award goes to Nirma Chaudhary. Third award goes to Riya Vishwakarma. Thank you, sir, your support. The next category award, class 8. I would like to call Lakshmi Sharma, ma'am, to felicitate with the award. First rank goes to Diya Pramod. Second award goes to Krishna Dev. Third award goes to Vanshika Singh. Thank you, ma'am. Then class 6, 9th standard award. I would like to call Manisha Sharma, ma'am, to felicitate with the award. First rank goes to Ishan Thakur. Second award goes to Aditya Prajapati. And third rank goes to Manaswat Seth. Friends, please give a huge round of applause for my children. Then final board exam awards. First rank goes to, I would like to call Ms. Rashmika Mehta to felicitate our children. First rank goes to Yashraj Singh because he is absent today. Then second rank goes to Raj Prajapati and he is also out of station. I would like to call his father Sanjay Prajapati to take over the award from our chief guest. giving huge round of applause because they achieved their award, got at some time. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call Raju Nair, Sabarnika's father. He is not feeling well today. So I would like to call Raju Nair on the stage to hand over the trophy from Shakuntala Sharma, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, parents. Now we are going to next category award, Best Teachers Award with Academic Section 2023-24.
Good evening, everyone. Today is our 10th annual day, and to felicitate our teachers. Teachers are the nurturers of the children, and they are the one because of whom the students, they prosper. So the category for the teachers for the current year are Star Teacher of the Year Award, Star Teacher of the Year Award. It is an annual honor award which is given to the best and the most dedicated educator of our institution. Way to go! Congratulations to bring the best teacher of Vidyadham International School this year. And this award goes to Mrs. Darshana teacher. Please give a huge round of applause. The best star teacher of our school. I request Rashmika Ben to please give the award to her. The Teacher of the Year Award. Now I request Mr. Parikshit Patel to please come. The next category for the Teacher Award is Subject Mastery Award. This award represents a commitment to lifelong learning and mastery of the topics in each related field. Your knowledge and skill bring honor to our institution. Please accept the recognition of your mastery of the subject, and this award goes to Ms. Priya. Ms. Priya teacher, please come on the stage. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Mahesh Pandya, please come to felicitate the Professional Leadership in Education Award. It goes to the teacher who is the most dedicated to honing their professionalism. Leadership is about integrity and perseverance. Without you, our team wouldn't be the same. Thank you for your excellence and hard work. This award is backed by Mrs. Rama Devi Nair. Please give a huge round of applause for her. She is the principal of Vidyadham International School. Thank you. Now the next award is Pinterest Perfect Award. I request Shailesh Mehta ji to please come and do the honors. We see that the teachers' hard work and interior decorating skills on full display. It's like your classroom jumped right off the Pinterest page. We were just browsing. Keep up great decorating work. It's our pleasure to give you this award, and this award goes to Aarti teacher. Aarti teacher, please come on the stage. Thank you, sir. Now the next award category is Techno Genius Award. I request Nayak sir, please come on the stage. Techno Genius is the one who is using the best use of digital media for the students' growth. And this award is backed by none other than our computer teacher, Prinjal Patel teacher. Please give a huge round of applause for her. Now the next category is most disciplined teacher. For a school to run properly, discipline is very important, and the most disciplined award certainly goes to the PT sir of our school, Mr. Pragnesh Patel. Please come on the stage, Mr. Pragnesh Patel. And I would request Mr. Radhesham Sharma ji to please felicitate for the most disciplined award. Thank you so much. Now, the category for the pre-primary most nurturing teacher. This trophy is backed by Jayashree teacher, the most caring teacher for the pre-primary. And she never says no for any work we give her. So I request Manisha ma'am to please do the honors. The most nurturing teacher for the pre-primary. Huge round of applause, parents. Now, since our institute, Vidyadham International School, has started from 2015, and this is the 10th year of our school, all the teachers, they have tested, and only the tough ones survived in 10 years. So, the teachers who could make in all these 10 years and who are continue with us in this journey are one who needs to be specially appreciated. So, this award goes to our admin staff, Megha Vyas teacher and Shweta Patel, who are here with us since 10 years. Please give a huge round of applause to continue with an institute with the honesty and hard work and with the sheer dedication. It pays a lot of commitment, and you both have proved it. I request Rashmika Bey to please do the honors. Mrs. Megha Vyas, please come on the stage. You all you were tested through the time and you were successful. Please give a huge round of applause for them. Loyalty. Everybody is not loyal, but the loyalty pays you back. Shweta teacher, please come. Rashmika Bey, please do the honors. Thank you, ma'am. Also, okay, now I'll start with the annual report of this 2024-25. All the wonderful people present here today, a very good evening. It is a pleasure to welcome everyone. All of you have gathered to be a part of our annual day celebration, that is Cultural Odyssey, celebration of a decade, which is held to celebrate the talent and skills of our children and reward them for the same. The year 2024-25 witnessed many milestones of excellent achievements in academics, co-curricular activities, sports and games. which aimed at improving the quality education and all-round development of the students. I feel proud and privileged to be present before you. A brief report of the achievements of the school. As the famous quote goes, great things are not done by impulse but by series of small things. I would like to thank each one of you for being the significant part of this glorious journey. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school undoubtedly. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young mind to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, etc. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirror into windows. Education is the key that unlocks the door to endless possibilities. Academics. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge and knowledge makes you great. It is gratifying to announce that this year too, we have achieved 100% results in the CBSE All India Secondary Examination. This is the current batch will be the 5th batch of the CBSE, which will be heading for the 10th exam. Excellence in academics is the hallmark for any good school, and the class 10th result of the school prove without any doubt our students made us proud. None of these achievements would have been possible without the single-minded commitment and dedicated care of our teachers. We are constantly encouraged by the parents and well-wishers who have shown much confidence and given their full support. I wish to acknowledge the efforts and guidance of our management as their collaboration and contributions have made a difference. We are aiming for the number 1 slot and have adopted various measures to achieve our goal. Extra classes for the board examinees, regular weekly tests and special counseling sessions for children are some of these steps. Today I am delighted to stand before the most illustrious and esteemed gathering to present the annual report of the year 2024-25. In the sports, to be a great champion, you should believe you are the best. If you are not, keep on trying. Sports competition inculcates the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students and prepare them for the life ahead. Sports, games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Our students participated in different sports competitions, won medals, certificates and trophies. In the Khel Mahakumbh 23-24, our students participated in different competitions, won there and selected for the district level, Lakshya, Aman, Karthik and Sairaj. They went for the district level for the Kho-Kho under 14 years. Sohit Singh and Kunal were selected under 17 in the Kho-Kho for the district level. In athletics, also which was held at Taluka level in Khel Mahakumbh, Lakshya Sharma was first in 200 meter, Smith Baria first in 100 meter, Sohit Singh first in the walk race, Lakshya Sharma first in the hurdle race. Our students had successfully stood first, won and qualified for the district level. Smith Baria stood second in the district level for 100 meter race. In indoor games like chess competition under 14, Aviral Mishra stood fourth, getting new experience and confidence in the sports field. In the School Game Federation of India, SDFI, Kho-Kho under 14, all our students participated and won second position and were selected for the district level. In Sanskriti Sahodaya Olympics 2024-25, which was held at Lakshmi International School, Sarigam, where our students participated and got good experience. National Yogasan Sports Federation competition, Yoga for the Achievement year 2023-24, our students initially participated in Taluka level yoga competition and Rajni Rabari and Diya Pramod of 9th standard stood second. Neer Patwa secured the first position. All these students were selected for the state level competition too. In the yoga achievement for the year 24-25, Rajni Rabari secured the fourth position in district level competition. In Kho-Kho Taluka level competition, our students Lakshya, Aman and Ansh participated and they secured the second position and were selected for the district level. Our students team won third position in the district level Kho-Kho held at Valsad. Athletics at Taluka level was held at Vapi. Lakshya and Sohit, they secured the second position in the 200 meter and 300 meter race. District level Lakshya Sharma stood third in the 200 meter race. Our students also took part in the shot put throw. I feel very proud to share that our student Lakshya Sharma won the gold medal in 200 meter race. Studies reveal that yoga for students have a positive effect on the nervous system and brain. Yoga stabilizes the BP and keeps the heart rate in control in pressure time. Yoga allows to take eyes off the books, laptops, thus eyes are relaxed. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. In the co-curricular activities, in solo singing, recitation, drawing and painting, students took part. English extempore, cooking without fire, general quiz, best out of waste, essay writing, debate. Students took part and their relationship skills and everlasting friendship where they learn to work in the group collaboratively. Science exhibition, maths quiz, Hindi elocution competition. Library. The main purpose of library is to provide resource to meet the individual needs of our wards. We have a very good library enriched with the educational periodicals and we have acquisition of a large number of books in fiction and in all the school subjects. Computer. Apart from teaching, computer is important for each and every student in the competitive era. So management have installed computers for all the classes from 1st to 10th. Learning through fun, various activities like color day, fruit and vegetable day, flower day, poetry recitation were organized to enhance the teaching and learning process in the tiny tots. Also there was visit of the guest lecture and Dr. Shweta, dentist, who excellently conducted the oral health checkup for everyone. There was a fire drill in the school, fire mock drill, so that about the fire safety students learn. Career counseling by the Marine Life Science to educate them about the choosing their career wisely. JCI also organized free oral cancer awareness and oral health care in our school. Doctors from 21st Century Hospital held free checkup for our students in our school. There was a self-defense training program for girls conducted by JCI to learn to defend oneself from the strangers and overcome the situation. Parents orientation meeting in 2024-25 was also conducted. There were adventure trips, visits and excursions. Our students attended workshop and field trip to Marine Life Science where they were present to see new discoveries and inventions in the medical science successfully manufactured in India. Training, seminars, orientation and counseling is a part of our school. A real teacher is one who realizes that he or she must always be a learner. In the inter-school and inter-house competition, victory is in having done your best. If you have done your best, you have won. In scholastic activities, the school looked at each learner as a unique whole person with inherent genius, special capabilities, unlimited potential by providing a conductive and encouraging environment to the students who are mentored to participate in variety of inter-school activities. An inter-school GK quiz competition was organized at Kannada Sangh in 24-25 where our students secured 4th position. Our students also participated in the quiz competition organized by the Nair Service Society at Marine Life Science. Diya Pramod, Swaparnika, Vanshika and Chavi got certificates and good experience. In 23-24, our school, Vidyadham International School, received the Swachh Vidyalay Puraskar from the district level. Inter-school group dance competition was held at Fellowship Mission School where our students got thrilling experience. All India Swachh Bharat Art Competition in 23-24 was held, in which Tanushri Jaina, Ishita Raj Purohit and Vagisha Kacharia bagged first prize. Vagisha won the state level competition too. We had total 108 participants who keenly took part. We had exclusive grand science exhibition and Spark, which was a grand success in 23-24. Prabhat Scholar Academy organized Art Mela Dream in Color, which is inter-school art and creative competition in 24-25, where our student of class 7, Kavita Gupta, bagged third position. Kalakar 2024 was held at LG Haria School, where many students participated and given certificates. Samarpan Gyan Art Competition 24-25. Our 8 students participated in the competition and were appreciated by the certificate. Hindi debate competition was held at Kannada Sangh, in which Diya Pramod and Bhavya Rathod participated, and the topic was क्या जंक फूड के विज्ञापनों पर कड़ा नियंत्रण होना चाहिए. सैल्यूट तिरंगा राष्ट्रवादी संगठन 24-25 self defense training was organized for 5th to 10th standard students. Sanskriti Sahodya organized elocution competition. Our students Trishna and Vanshika participated and got excellent exposure. Parul University, they provided career counseling to our students. Also, PP Savani University also provided career counseling. Ma Foundation organized career counseling for class 9th and 10th. Golden Wing competition, in which 112 students participated and secured gold, silver and bronze medals, and 2 students were selected for the national level. Our school and principal ma'am was awarded trophy, and even the art teacher also was provided the trophy. Now the national level winners. In handwriting competition was Jayesh Jha, 3rd position. In greeting card competition, Arya Gupta, 3rd position. In school level handwriting competition, Shubh Nathan Rao, 1st position. Trisha Deep, 2nd position. Dash Latish, 3rd position. In coloring competition, Garvita Singh, Arush Moria and Tanya De. In drawing competition, Kritika Sharma, Nishil Chawda, Shwara Thakare, Gayatri Vimal and Hetvi Bhatt. In greeting card making competition, Ashwika Ratnam, Palak Rajpurohit and Saima Khan. At Reliance Mall, Ganesh Murti making competition was organized, where Ananya Moria and Ananya Pachisia participated, and Ananya Pachisia got the first prize. Rotary Club Vapi Riverside, they conducted art competition, 9 students participated. Vapi Kids Marathon 24-25, Ankita Kulari, she secured 2nd position and got bronze medal in 3-kilometer race. Elocution competition was held at Swaminarayan School, Salwao, where Vanshika and Trishna participated and got certificates. Life is a celebration, we just need persons to celebrate it. So in our school, we also celebrate all the national festivals, school celebrations, investiture ceremony, religious festivals and all the other festivals like Hindi Divas, Yoga Day, Onam, World Peace Day, World Hunger Day, Shivaji Jayanti, Road Safety Day, Save Our Planet Day, Girl Child Day, Maths Quiz, Science Exhibition, etc. The conclusion. We believe that every year brings change with the God's Almighty's protection. We are confident that we will overcome all the odds by our strong will and ethics and pave the way for the betterment of the education fraternity and society in general. We have started our innovative tools to facilitate learning by the students. Before I conclude, let me assure you that even our students engage themselves in various co-curricular and life skill activities. Top priority, as by the Modi sir, is said that you have to develop skills in the students. Remedial teaching, extra classes, revisions, unit tests, class tests, assignments, project work, end of the term exams keeps them busy throughout the year. I render thanks to our principal ma'am, our teaching and non-teaching staff, my students and parents who have been with us in all our activities and provided the maximum support and cooperation. With this, I would like to end with a small paragraph of a poem, which is one of my favorite poems by हरिवंश राय बच्चन. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ कर मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. थैंक यू एवरीवन. एंजॉय द इवनिंग. Now just one felicitation is left for all our housekeeping staff which keeps our system properly. So I request all the school house masters to please come on the stage, and I request Manisha ma'am to felicitate them with a rose. With us from 2015. Please come on the stage. Parents, please give a huge round of applause. They are the ones who take care of the entire school and our students. Madhu Masi, Hemlata Masi, please come on the stage. Parents, please give a huge round of applause for them. Madhu Masi, please come on the stage. She is with us from 2015. Please give a huge round of applause for her. Jayashri Masi, please come on the stage. Thank you all the guests and all the parents and students for this prize distribution. I will request all the guests now they can take their seats.